GSA has a lot of different programs to engage students in field work. Two of the programs I run are GeoCorps America and Mosaics in Science. GeoCorps America program is a partnership with the National Park Service, the U.S. Forest Service, and the Bureau of Land Management that gets students and people from all walks of life out into the field doing geology to serve the needs of our public lands. And then we have a second program called Mosaics in Science, and that's a partnership just with the National Park Service. And it's very similar to GeoCorps. It gets students under age 35 out into the field and doing projects that go beyond the earth sciences.
So I was involved with the GeoCorps America program at Mount Rainier National Park. I was their Mountain Lakes hydrology person. I was working with their Mountain Lakes monitoring program, which is actually a collaboration with 3 parks in Washington State. And it's a sort of annual sampling protocol for some subalpine lakes in the park. I definitely learned a whole bunch about how national parks work and all the different forces and political things and structural things and how natural and cultural resources divisions are organized.
I was an intern for GeoCorps, and I interned at Florissant Fossil Beds National Monument in Florissant, Colorado. I was a paleontology intern.
So I was in the Mosaics program the summer of 2013, and I was an intern at Florissant Fossil Beds National Monument in Colorado.
The benefit that I got from my GeoCorps internship was astronomical.
In the future, eventually I want to go into academia, but it was great to have a summer internship where I actually got to be in an academic environment. That's not something that you always get to do.
I'm applying for grad school right now, and being able to put on my CV that I have a published map at a national monument has been just a great benefit for me.
I work for the Cape Cod National Seashore. What we did there is, one, monitored the beach for sediment and erosion deposition all along the coast, just to see what was happening, see how the sediments from south were being transported to the north and get an idea of how much was being moved in that year. Another project that we worked on was a monument catalog, essentially.
To GSA, getting students into the field is definitely a priority because we think it gives them stronger research skills and also creates a higher level of enthusiasm for staying in the earth sciences.
I would have never expected to be out on the beach doing sedimentology type work or understanding how a dune moves, or knowing like the foreshore and the backshore kind of terminology when I come from such a staunch economic mineralogy, stuff like that.